Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how industrial lubricants are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Every drop begins deep beneath the earth, where raw energy is brought to the surface.
Transport begins instantly, moving raw material through controlled industrial channels.
Initial storage stabilizes the flow before the next stage begins. From storage, the journey continues toward refining facilities. Heavy transport carries raw crude across long industrial routes. All roads lead to controlled environments where transformation begins. Here, raw crude enters the system that shapes it into performance-grade lubricants. Every shipment is measured and recorded before entering the process.
Strict verification ensures only approved materials move forward.
Positioning is critical before transfer operations begin. Secure connections allow safe and controlled transfer of raw material. Flow begins, pushing raw crude toward the heart of the facility. An intricate network directs material exactly where it's needed. The system receives its input, preparing for the first stage of refinement. Inside this vast facility, raw input begins its controlled transformation. Every stage unfolds within a precisely engineered environment. Crossing the threshold, the process becomes fully controlled. Redundant systems ensure safe and uninterrupted flow. Material advances deeper into the system through controlled channels. Preparation units condition the material before refinement begins. Preparation units condition the material before refinement begins. The first internal stage is now underway, setting the foundation for purification. Initial separation removes heavy impurities from the raw input. Layered filtration refines the material step by step. Finer systems eliminate even the smallest contaminants. Byproducts are removed, isolating the usable base material. Moisture is extracted to stabilize the base composition. Temperature control activates the next level of purification.
Constant supervision ensures stability before transformation begins.
Distillation separates components, separants by controlled temperature differences. Each layer isolates specific fractions critical for lubricant production. Separated streams move forward for further refinement. Vacuum systems refine heavier components without degradation. Catalysts drive the final chemical adjustments for performance. Cooling stabilizes the refined base before blending begins. Blending begins as base oils move into controlled formulation systems. Additives are introduced to define performance and durability. Controlled motion ensures complete integration of all components. Precision control maintains the ideal conditions for formulation. Final adjustments ensure the lubricant meets exact specifications. Samples are taken to verify consistency before final processing. Automation takes over, scaling production with precision and speed. Smart systems distribute flow across synchronized production lines. Containers are prepared in a steady, uninterrupted stream.
Exact volumes are delivered with high-speed accuracy. Sealing protects the product for storage and transport.
Identification ensures traceability across every batch.
Each unit advances into final inspection before approval.
Automated vision systems verify consistency at every step.
Manual checks reinforce automated precision.
Seal integrity is confirmed under controlled pressure.
Products are aligned into precise batches for packaging.
Protective wrapping secures units for safe handling.
Prepared batches move into structured stacking for distribution.
Selected units are routed for detailed laboratory verification.
Precise samples are prepared for controlled testing.
Flow characteristics are measured to meet strict specifications.
Chemical composition is verified at a microscopic level. Stability is tested under simulated operating conditions.
Only verified batches are cleared for final release.
Approved products rejoin the flow toward distribution. From testing to storage, the process moves toward completion.
Final stacking prepares each batch for secure storage and transport.
Protective wrapping stabilizes the load for handling.
Organized storage ensures efficient dispatch operations.
Dispatch begins as products move toward outbound transport. Each shipment is secured for safe delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce industrial lubricants from start to finish.
From raw extraction to final delivery, every step is engineered for precision.